Should I hire a pro or DIY my outdoor lighting? Most DIY projects will not produce the same caliber of lighting as one installed by a professional. Hiring a professional for your outdoor lighting project can prove beneficial in many ways. An outdoor lighting professional will help design a comprehensive plan to add safety, security, and beauty to your outdoor space. If you're considering a DIY landscape lighting installation, there are a lot of products on the market for do-it-yourselfers. If you are diligent and have the time to do the research to select the right products to install a quality system, it may be a worthwhile investment. However, many times the job deems to be overwhelming for most homeowners. When choosing between hiring a professional or installing a DIY outdoor lighting system, there are a few things you might want to take in consideration. One of those being the amount of time required to research the proper equipment and tools and products and the time it's going to take to complete the installation. The investment in time may be too much for many homeowners, and the project could take much longer than anticipated or prove to be too difficult. Another consideration would be warranty. If you have any issues after the system's installed, if you've hired a professional contractor, their warranty will cover the cost of any needed repairs.